What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be installing these mesh grills on the front bumper. There's three, one, two, three, and also there's two for the back radiators, one over here and one on the passenger side. I highly recommend every C8 owner, doesn't matter what C8 you drive, does this to their C8, because the last thing you want is to catch a rock going through the grill cover and then into your radiator, your aluminum radiator. You do not want that. It could damage it to the point where you could have a leak in the system. I've seen it many times, people on the forums talking about, well, my car's not cooling down properly, and then they see a leak and they wonder how they got that leak. Well, that's why, you want to do this. The last car I had, which was the C8 Stingray, I bought this, but it was on the cheaper side. So I just bought a big old rolled up mesh grill and just kind of pre-cut it and zip tied it. This was off eBay for about $140. So a lot of people out there like Paragon, whatever, they will sell you this for like $300 and up. It's insane. Some even do $250. So I got this for $140, and it comes with basically the three radiators for the front bumper, these mesh grills, and the two mesh grills for the driver's side and the passenger side. Before I get to installing the canards, I did also get myself these extended guards, wheel guards. I don't know what you call them, but I did get them, and they look really nice. They do give a little bit of a more aggressive look to the overall, like the car. So front, back, these are stock, so you guys get an idea how they look. And also, I got me some of these wheel lug nuts by Monster Lug. So it's M14 by 1.5, and these are cool if I ever do want to go extended, because they're pass-through. It's not capped off on top, and they feel lighter than the ones that I have on my car right now. I did a side-by-side comparison by having one in each hand, kind of just weighting them, and honestly these came out to be lighter. So yeah, from eBay, go get yourself a set. They are forged steel, and they feel good. And just like that, you guys, the front canards are installed by AGM. The front splitter is by C7 Carbon, and it all works perfectly fine together. Let me show you guys the other side. And I can't wait to install this back on my car and actually drive with the whole front bumper complete now. And that's including the mesh grills, which you might be seeing right now, which I want to touch base on right now on the whole install. So got it off eBay for $140, you guys, and it fit perfect. And I use all the hardware, everything, the tabs, everything. You can see those little silver bolts, everything secured properly, and I do recommend it. Now the whole front radiators will be protected. So yeah, now let's install this front bumper, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole front end complete. All right, guys, got me my tags, my plates, and now it's time for the cool stuff to go on this car. Shout out to Eurostar, they're the ones that helped me. Got me my temp plates. I got my actual plates now, and everything's good. Avoided CHP. These guys know what they're doing. So Eurostar and Rancho Cordova. But yeah, you guys, it's about to be loud. And just like that, it is gone. The car that started everything. See you, buddy. Gonna love it. All right, guys, well, here's a better look at it complete, sorta. Still got some pieces that I'll be adding on to this car. They're gonna be going on the rear end. We'll get to it in a second. So I do wrap cars, and when it comes down to wrapping your own car, you save a lot of money. I was really skeptical on doing this, but I don't regret it. I really do not regret it. What did I do? Wrapped these 8 pillars by 3M 2080, this part by 3M 2080, and got in there really nicely, not a single white showing. And then this removable cover by 3M 2080 gloss black, and it looks really nice. And I just butted it up a little bit on the back, got this part in gloss black. It was white, and honestly looks really nice. The part where you could save a lot of money really is basically wrapping these blades. Even this, I'm potentially thinking of doing it in carbon fiber. So there's carbon fiber that looks cheap, and there's carbon fiber that looks like really good, and this is one of those that look really good. So who makes this film right here? That will be Evolve, and the name of this film will be Racing Carbon Fiber or Gloss Racing Carbon Fiber. There's a lot of carbon fiber films out there, and they don't look good. They don't look near as good as this. I get compliments on this more than the real carbon fiber. I get this associated with real carbon fiber like no other, literally, but it's just wrapped. And I saved a lot of money. I saved a lot of money. So yeah, if you're planning on buying this, go to Evolve, and they do go by yard. And just be sure to know how much you need, because if you come back because you really like the material, and you will, and you want to buy more, you're going to be paying 50 bucks again. So they always charge you 50 bucks, 50 bucks, 50 bucks. So be sure to get appropriate size that you need for your project. And honestly, you're going to be looking crazy. Honestly, this in the sun looks unbelievable. Yeah, so like I said, I'm still planning on doing this, but I think I don't have enough. I have to get some more. So see, I didn't calculate it properly. I didn't know it was going to be looking this damn good. But yeah, we'll get to it. It's not going to go anywhere. I want to show you guys this for one reason, and that's because this part right here, I want you guys to remember it. It's not going to be like this in about a couple of hours, because I'm getting the package delivered. And it's going to be the Extreme Align Store rear diffuser. It's more aggressive looking. And also the OEM exhaust tips, they're not going to be there. I don't like them. I painted them gloss black. They're starting to fade. It's not really cutting it. So I gotta get the matching exhaust tips with the exhaust system that's installed, and that will be Pure Performance. I highly recommend this brand for you guys because it is active valves, meaning you can turn it on and off, quiet, loud, however you like it. There's a lot of brands out there for the same price, honestly, that will only give you open exhaust, and it sounds unbelievable. I like it, but it usually gets annoying. You want to drive it in quiet. So with Pure Performance, you have that benefit. So I'm gonna be uploading a before and after stock versus Pure Performance exhaust. So definitely want to stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be uploaded as a short video, so you guys get a better understanding of how it sounds with and without it. And for now, just crossing my fingers, hoping that FedEx delivers my package, because they usually say out for delivery, but they never end up delivering it the same day. Can't wait to mount these. Alrighty, took the bumper off, took this bottom piece, it's right there. And basically, yeah, now I'm just trying to see if I could align these tips so that they are straight and even. By the way, look at this exhaust. I'm telling you guys, you really do want to go with this brand, because they do not disappoint. They did not disappoint me with the Stingray. A lot of compliments on why does it sound so damn good and this and that. And there's a lot more compliments on the C8 Z06. It pops and crackles, and it just, man, I'm telling you guys, smiles per gallon. Here's the diffuser, and basically what's different is this part right here sticks out much more, and it goes on the bottom. You get this extra fin, you get this fin, and it meets in the middle, which is nice. I mean, you do have to swap out your mesh grills. I'm gonna leave this part open because I'm gonna have my tips exposed, sticking through. I'm just gonna put the cover, probably wrap it in like carbon fiber, which, by the way, I wrapped my side splitter little things, whatever you call these things, same carbon fiber that I was just talking about. You guys could take a look. Unbelievable. So I might do that with the little ring right here, just to blend it in a little bit. We'll see, maybe leave a gloss black. But yeah, there you go. Let's see how the quality is on the fitment. Well, there you guys go, all done on the rear end. Diffuser installed, license plate cover installed. And honestly, I'll say right now, fitment is really good. I'm surprised. I'm very surprised. I got all of this from C8 Performance, and they never disappoint. I'm happy with the fitment. I'm happy with the result. And I'm gonna show you guys one more time. So yeah, titanium exhaust is exposed, and it just looks really nice through the mesh grills. Carbon fiber tips on the Pure Performance. Just goes really well with the diffuser, and this diffuser also meets in the middle, which is really good because the spoiler as well meets in the middle, which is really good. So yeah, I'm very happy. Time to install the inventory cold air intake in this box. I've been waiting 2 to 3 months for this box to be delivered to me, and I finally got it. I'm so excited. And in the next video, you guys, I will be showing you guys how to install the inventory cold air intake on the C8 Z06. Also in the video, you will see me installing the Pure Performance titanium exhaust. So one more time, this exhaust comes with the valves, so you could open and close the exhaust valves, loud and quiet. And also I'll be uploading, I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, I will be uploading a video in a short, and it's going to be about roughly 20 to 30 seconds, and it will be basically before and after stock versus Pure Performance exhaust. And you be the judge of what sounds better. Personally, I like Pure Performance. I've had them on my Stingray, and now it's on my Z06. Like, subscribe, and comment, you guys, because I will be uploading a lot of videos. A lot of mods will be applied to this C8 Z06, and just go briefly through some of them. Like, for example, the big brake kit by Willwood, the C7 carbon fender air vents, or even the AGM fully functional frunk. So it got this whole air duct with the you know, the 01 inspired hood, but it's all functional, just like the 01. Air goes in and air comes out. So a lot of videos for you guys will be uploaded in the near future here. But regardless, let's get the inventory installed, make a video for you guys on that, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.